classification of ligands, and here based upon the charges there are three types of ligands. That is, the first one is neutral ligands, that is second is positive ligands and negative ligands. So neutral ligands, which are the neutral ligands, that is H2O, NO, CO, C6H6 are neutral ligands, and NO plus, NH2, NH3 plus, that is positive ligands. Okay, and Cl minus, NO minus, Cn minus, OH minus, that is negative ligands. So now the second part is based upon denticity of the ligand. So here a questions come from this heading, that is what is the denticity of the ligand. So the number of donation accepted by a central atom from a particular ligand, that is known as denticity of the ligand. Okay, the number of donations accepted by a central atom from a particular ligand. Okay, so the next one is the number one is monodentate ligand, and second is bidentate ligand, and third is tridentate ligand, and four is tetradentate ligand, and fifth is pentadentate ligand, and sixth is hexadentate ligand. So we all know that the mono means one. Mono means one. So monodentate ligand means only on one donation is accepted. So here denticity means the number of donations accepted by central atom. So here for monodentate ligand only one donation is accepted. For bidentate ligand, bi means two. So for bidentate ligands there are two donations are accepted. So okay, so you can see here in ethylene diamine there are two donations are accepted, that is two arrow, that means it is two arrow means there's two donations are accepted. Here two donations are accepted. So for tridentate ligand, so tri means three, so here in diene, diethylene triamine, for three arrows are there, so that means that is tridentate ligand and three donations are accepted here. Okay, so here number 4 means tetradentate ligands. So here tetra means we know that 4, so tetradentate ligands, for here the example is triene, so triethylene tetraamine. Here 4 arrows are there, and here 4 donations are accepted, so that is tetradentate ligand. Okay, so for pentadentate ligand 5 donations are obviously accepted, 5 donations are accepted, and example is EDTA 3 minus. So look at the structure here, 1 2 3 4 5 donations are accepted, so that is pentadentate ligand. We all know that the penta means 5. Okay, so for hexadentate ligand, hexa means 6, and the example of hexadentate ligand is EDTA 4 minus. For 6 donations are accepted. Look at this structure, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 donations are accepted, so that is EDTA 4 minus is a hexadentate ligand. And flexidentate ligand. So what is flexidentate ligand? A ligand which shows variable denticity. Okay, which shows variable denticity means here this example, if we take this example, for that is acts as bidentate ion and also acts as monodentate ion. So here 2 arrows are there, so 2 donations are accepted, that is bidentate, bi means 2. Okay, and monodentate means mono means 1, so here one arrow is there, so that means one donation is accepted, that is flexidentate ligand. For this ligand shows variable